Good day, ready to dive into the fascinating world of cybersecurity terminology today?
Absolutely. What are we learning today?
Today's term is a real gem. Tabletop exercise, or TTX for short. Now, imagine our school as a digital ecosystem, buzzing with data flowing through its networks like students rushing through hallways.
I like that analogy.
Excellent. Now, imagine a potential cyber threat, like a mischievous student trying to sneak past the security guard. A TTX is like a practice drill for such scenarios.
So, we pretend there's a cyber attack?
Precisely. We gather key players, from teachers and IT staff to the principal, just like a school emergency drill. But instead of a fire alarm, we simulate a cyber breach.
Like a role-playing game?
Exactly. We present a hypothetical attack scenario, say a ransomware infection. Each participant plays their role, discussing how they'd respond, identify the source, and contain the damage.
So, it's like practicing for the real thing?
Exactly. It helps us identify vulnerabilities, test our response plans, and improve communication. Think of it like the school fire drill, but for cyber threats.
That makes so much sense. But what if the scenario isn't realistic?
That's where the beauty of TTX lies. We can tailor scenarios to specific threats our school might face, based on real-world examples and industry best practices. It's like training with different fire drills for different emergencies.
And what if someone messes up during the TTX?
No worries. It's a safe environment to learn and make mistakes. We analyze what went well, what didn't, and refine our strategies for the real world. Remember, even the most experienced cybersecurity experts learn from simulations.
This sounds amazing. I can see how valuable it is for everyone involved.
Indeed. TTX is a powerful tool for building a resilient cybersecurity posture, just like regular drills keep our school prepared for any eventuality. Now, are you ready to try your hand at a mini TTX?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Remember, cybersecurity is a team effort. If you like this video, please press like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.